Hi, I'm Kim Scroeder-Floto with the Wentworth Real Estate Group in Fenton, Michigan. I started real estate about 25 years ago, so I've been in this business for quite a while. And what got me started was raising 3 children on my own and wanted the flexibility of spending time with my kids and sports and all of that, along with having a career that I could build on over the years and be successful at it. Allen Edwin Homes, I found, was a wonderful builder for a lot of my first-time home buyers. It was in a price point that was attainable for my clients, as well as a home that was very well built and had a lot of the features and qualities that my first-time home buyers were looking for. Oh my goodness, there's so many things that I do enjoy about working with Allen Edwin Homes. It's the partnership with the girls that I work with the team. I really enjoy the fact that once we are under contract, it's kind of in their hands. Allen Edwin's takes over, and they really do make sure that our clients are taken care of, at the highest level, which really is important to me. And it seems to make my clients happy to know that they can reach out to myself or to an Allen Edwin representative, and they know they're being taken care of quite well. The quality of the homes, knowing that obviously the updates and the new build kind of features that these homes have are very, very desirable to my clients, and knowing the quality is there, the energy efficiency that these homes do have, and the warranties. It's very big for them. My clients have come to Allen Edwin Homes for a few different reasons. One is buying a brand new build home. That is something that some people don't feel that they can attain, and it is a very desirable thing for some first-time home buyers and even, home buyers down the road. They really enjoy the fact that the high efficiency mechanics in the home are a part of, and the quality that is built with the Allen Edwin Homes is something that is very desirable for my clients. There's a lot of reasons why I really enjoy and love real estate. I think it's those connections and building a relationship with my clients. Some of the clients I've had over the years have become personal friends of mine. It's just a pleasure to serve the community. It's a pleasure to be able to help people, with their largest investment. It's a big deal to me, and knowing that I've helped them along the way to me, it's very gratifying. I think it is actually the caring, the way we want to help that client from the very beginning to the end of the process. It's a very rewarding job, and it's also something that I take very seriously. I want to be there from the beginning to the end with my clients and build that rapport so that down the road, if they're ever in need of another home or moving on, that they will remember that I gave them the best service I could, and they'll reach back out. Allen Edwin saves me a lot of time, actually, because again, I will bring a client through the home if they decide that they want to purchase an Allen Edwin home. It's actually the relationship you build with the representatives here and their team. They pretty much take over and assist through the whole process and make sure that things are done in a timely manner and a professional manner, and that is very important. So I guess honestly, working with them has been a pleasure. Allen Edwin has helped me build my business just because of the quality. When I bring a client through, it's hands down, they're very pleased in what they see, and it actually helps me out a lot knowing that they're buying quality. Allen Edwin puts that out there for everybody. They have incentives. They have a lot of different great ideas, different things that they'll work with my clients and help them along the way as well. And it just is it's a great effort on both sides, and it makes it very easy for me just to kind of move forward with the next client and hopefully bring them to Allen Edwin as well. So simple to register with Allen Edwin. We go online, we just give our client's name, an email, and a phone number, and that's it. It's a very simplistic thing to do. I will definitely continue to work with Allen Edwin and also help in any way I can to promote their product, because I do believe in their product. I think that their homes are quality, and I think that their team, their staff, has been very helpful with everything along the way, from meeting the very first time with my clients to the end when we're at the closing table. There's not anything that I really would change with them. They've just been a very big help, and they've helped me succeed with my clients.